Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a 67 Chevy C10. It's a Hot Wheels Art Car for year 2024. That's why you will see a very different paint job on this one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 67 C10 out of its packaging, and the first thing you will notice is this crazy paint, which actually looks good. Reads Hot Wheels on the side, says keep driving on this direction, and 24 HW Art Cars. So Hot Wheels releases a series of cars with this different kind of paint jobs, and all of them have different letters on the top. This one has E, and you can see the paint job going here. You will have H, you will T, everything. One thing I kind of bugs me, they don't have red tires, like trucks don't have red tires, but then it's Hot Wheels, they can do anything. So what do we have apart from this crazy paint job? So up front we have got a chrome grille, chrome headlamp, basically chrome bumper and everything chrome. So a chrome finish up front. It's a custom C10, so as you see the hood, there is a big bulge for a bigger engine. Misses out on the mirrors, no mirrors. It's obviously a standard truck, so 2 doors. The interior is also done in chrome, which I highly doubt that actual trucks have. Same goes for the bed. And I don't know if it's a toolbox or it's a gas tank or petrol tank, because I've seen some custom trucks with because they're lowered, so they have petrol tank inside the bed. The rear, again you have this rear glass window, sliding window. It's actually good because if you see closely, there are details for the sliding window in there. Coming to the rear, again you can see there's the place for tail lamps, but it's not detailed. Chrome bumper, and this is how it looks from the bottom. I was surprised to see this because everything else is in chrome, so I thought the base will be also chrome, but it's not. So obviously it's not a new casting, but I like the paint job, and even the base color, even without all the sticker crazy job, even the base color looks good. It's like one of those desert Land Rovers, Camel Trophy Land Rovers kind of color. Looks good. Yeah, so it's just a fun addition to the collection. It's not something special you always want to get, but yeah, looks good. That's why I got it. Well, those were my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.